When to use predictive maintenance. Use predictive maintenance on assets that have a critical operational function, and that have failure modes that can be cost-effectively predicted with regular monitoring. Predictive maintenance aims to predict when asset failure might occur and prevents the failure, by scheduling maintenance. It keeps maintenance frequency low and reliability high. Possible failure is identified with monitoring equipment linked to software or through visual inspections. An example includes being able to monitor if a conveyor belt drops below a certain speed, which will trigger a work order.